bring in Shreya Chatterjee as well, who's standing by from another vantage point of the CBI headquarters. We're also seeing a handful of TVK supporters, nothing by the way, like what you'd see in Chennai, but a handful of them who came together and started chanting Talapati TVK the moment Vijay made his way inside. They were a tad disappointed that they couldn't really catch a glimpse of him, but that was clearly intentional, keeping in mind the security situation, which is why Vijay zipped right in his black Range Rover. Shreya, get us those voices, please.
Well, I'll just ask my cameraman Pradeep Gupta to show you the supporters who have come over here. Handful of them, as you rightly pointed it out, Akshita, but definitely a glimpse of why this could have been a nightmare had the questioning been there in Chennai. I'll get a few questions from them. Sir, you guys have come over here. What are the reasons? Solidarity, support, just to get a glimpse? Why?
Not for glimpse. Actually, he came here for attend the CBI investigation. As a student, we are staying here in Delhi to show our support to him. As he is a new politician, as a young leader in Tamil Nadu. We are also youth. To support him, we came here to stay and see him also, that both are.
Is this some sort of a Vijay support group that you guys have in Delhi?
Yes, exactly. We have, around 7,000 to 800 people who are supporting from Delhi. And all our youths, all are working and, corporate sectors, working. Some are engineers, doctors. We are all together gathered here just to support him.
Had this not been a Monday morning, we would have seen 7,000 supporters on the ground.
Yes, exactly. Even today I had, an assignment need to be submitted around 12. But, I had made an excuse and just came here to support our Talabadi only.
So you definitely, Akshita, you would be aware of the kind of craze.
We are not only fans, we are as youth, young voters, we came here. That's
Okay, so Akshita, you would be aware of the kind of support he gathers. And they are saying 7,000 supporters alone in the national capital. Had this not been a Monday, we would have definitely seen a security scare here at the CBI headquarters as well. But thankfully, only a few of them have landed over here. They're extending their support, their solidarity to Vijay. And what they categorically suggest is that he's a fan, they want to catch a glimpse, but also a solidarity show as Vijay is questioned inside the CBI headquarters.
Yeah, I must say I'm a tad surprised that all of the Vijay fans didn't gather in large numbers. What that indicates to me is the fact that even Vijay didn't want a big show. Irrespective of usually where he's turning up in Tamil Nadu, numbers gather. And let's not pretend even for a second that there is no massive Vijay fan base based in Delhi. If he wanted this, if the TVK wanted this to be a big show, they would have ensured hundreds lined up across here. The fact that they wanted to keep this muted, the fact that Vijay went right inside without any big showmanship of waving to the crowds, of putting up a victory symbol, none of that. He's known, of course, to not be one of those personalities who believes in a whole lot of symbolism or messaging. He's someone who's always been very away from the spotlight. But you'd have thought with him turning into this politician avatar, he'd focus more on that kind of messaging. Doesn't seem to be the case. He's choosing to keep this under the wraps, keep this on the down low, be there, appear before the CBI without anyone turning up.